Hi there, this is Angie James with Angel Viking Organite, and I wanted to do just a super quick video on how to use this wonderful Etsy SEO tool called Alura. This is just for very basic, quick information on how I use this tool on the free version. If you have an Etsy shop, you have a small Etsy shop, or you're just starting, you want to make sure you are using the best keywords so that people can find your listings and they don't get just buried under everything else that's postings from bigger shops. So the trick with getting good keywords is and getting your listings found is you want to focus on keywords that have high search volume and low competition. So I'm just going to show you Alura real quick. Like I said, just the free version of this. And here's Alura. We're going to open this up. You get the confetti. Welcome to Alura. Here's a little welcome video. It's about a 5-minute video, walks you through it. And you will, I'm just going to click off of that. When you're on the dashboard, we want keyword research. This is where you're going to go. Keyword research opens this up. I went ahead and you'll just type in whatever keyword you want to search for. I sell Organite. My shop is Angel Viking Organite. So of course, I'm looking for keywords, the best keywords to use for my Organite listings. I went ahead and opened up a page because once you type in your keyword to search, it takes a few seconds for everything to load. So I just wanted to go ahead and have it ready for this video. So Organite is a very broad search term. As you can see, the search volume, there's 49,500 searches for the term Organite per month. These are monthly stats. And as you can see, the competition is 17,924. Alura shows this as low competition. To me, this is pretty high. If you are just starting out or you have a small shop, then ideally, you want competition 5,000 or below. So you got your main keyword here, the stats for this, and it will use the important part is scrolling down here to similar keywords. This is where the gold is at. You can see the first one that we typed in, Organite, with the only things we really care about here is the search volume and the competition. And just for some cool FYI, it also shows you the sales that happen, the dollar amount of sales from that keyword for the month. Let's see, yeah, total number of sales for all listings using the keyword on Etsy. So kind of just cool information there. Also, too, on your listings, Etsy allows you 13 keywords and a maximum of 20 characters. So keep that in mind as you're choosing keywords. This one is a fantastic one, this Orgone Energy Pyramids. But when you count the characters, this is actually just over 20. So you have to break this up to be able to use it. It won't allow this as one whole keyword tag. But it's got a great search volume and the competition. This is what we're looking for, something below 5,000. So, and whenever you see one you like, you can just check mark it. This one is a good one, Orgone Generator, search volume 6,600, competition below 4,000. And you just go through here and see, I mean, this is one you could use. It's a little higher competition, 11,156, but it's got a decent search volume. And you just go through here and now see this one, that's higher competition if you're a very small shop or you're just starting out. But anyway, just wanted to show you this quick little tool. Now again, this is the free version. This is all I use is the free version. So it gives you several options for similar keywords, and you can go on to a second page and see more, and onto a third page, and then it stops. I'm not sure how many it shows you, but this is because it's the free version. If you upgrade, it opens up lots of more valuable great bells and whistles that you probably really want to dig into if you get more serious about this. But on the free version, it blocks out any other keywords, similar keywords here. But that's okay because you've still got 2.5 pages of similar keywords to use. So if you like this tool, then click the link below. I've got the link to sign up for Alura. Again, this is the free version, and this will really help you get those keywords that you need so that people can find your item, because these keywords are things that uh, Etsy shoppers are typing into the Etsy search bar to find. And if you're using these keywords, then that's going to bring up your listing. And that's super important if you are using high search volume, low competition keywords. And also, just a note, I save mine onto a spreadsheet. I save the keyword, the search volume number, and the competition number, so I can just come back to it later and kind of pick and choose the ones that I want to use for the different listings. So I hope this was helpful, and see you on the next video.